nobody, as we say, where they argue with me, why you remember so much something about me? Or you remember say me buy a car? I treat you pay your mind long time, she a bad mind girl, lady. Leave me live. Where the call up people name for drunk. Ain't dog shit. Eh? Me gonna tell people say my grandmother mine you. That if you come on live and tell the people, say my grandmother put him up when Ja run him out I house up at Salisbury. When Squash Pa run him out, I run out the whole on no blood not come on my grandmother yard come stay. I will put him up. That's enough to tell the people them. We will not tell the people them foolish swap. We want to tell the people them that drunk so my grandmother put you up. People admit to it, you know. Remember say Shelly admit say my grandmother put her up, you know. Shelly herself admit to it, you know. When I play a recording make you hear. She says she now be ungrateful. So I get no sister and lie me I tell pan them. When I play make you hear. Where's Shelly name again pan TikTok? Where name again? Dirty Shelly. Shelly me not agree there, no, because you're cruff, you know. I like me never go agree, because you look at TikTok platform. I mean, I depend that video.
Oh, yes?
Make Squash girl platform, dirty girl. See me? Listen, people.
I'll get back to boy, Blamdem, work on the prayer and that announce. I wish God on you. We ask God to forgive you. I don't understand why anything to do. What to repent for all you have prayed by the media. And the TikTokers, they want to follow you and they support you in your fuck with God forgive you one on one. And yeah?
You know hear people, you know hear her. You know hear people, tell me if you know hear.
Blamdem, everything up in Jamaica and the people they want to call up boy.
But don't lie me I tell Fanny.
This man night and bomb up like there. Night and they will look for the man there. He look around crime and find they're going to Jamaica before this man leave here. Eh? I say up and down everything you see you call the man name. People that are on a film name, people that ever you call the name. Why? Why you hate him for? Women in a company talk by the media and talk about your gay family. Your dirty, nasty, batty man family. And if you want to mix your granny, you know, come
Hearing thinking dirty chatted mouth in I camera. I got some hog when I use the food. Here when say no about my grandmother. So my grandmother mine. He admit to it. He admit say my grandmother mine her. His people know say me not turn life on her. To what she done, she give it herself. Bro, woman make us a dance. You can't go and make a school. Tell me take a song in the house and yeah man get big and stink. If you go blood clot, go to school, because you dance. You need speech therapy, you don't know if you talk. Look how you all. You don't know if you talk. Big stinky no man. Come off of my name and go look at work, drunk. Go to blood clot gym. You're big and stinky now with your black lip. Dog, you know what I say, you man look lip black and cranny, bro. You know say you man lip black and lip black and cranny in a video, you see man, me looking at him out. When them people are talk, me not even can listen to them. Me have to just put on your phone and not talk. Because I can't talk, because if I talk in thinking mode, dog, it just sick me to muck. Shelly, if you go out and come off a people named drunk. People, look to say admit saying to sleep now, Bobby 6, all of them. Squash, Bobby 6, G-Man, Squash thinking, mama, all of them sleeping on my grandmother couch. They sleep out my grandmother couch, sleep out the bed them, fuck off me auntie them, they with them, I can suck out them pussy. How can I sit there and do with my family? That's why I like me. Alright, they see that side of family, I don't like them, because they go fuck Squash. From they go fuck, from their side of family, when me know, from they go fuck Squash them, they turn worthless. I don't like them, I don't deal with them, because every day they have a dirty Melbourne boy them over there. I don't like them. I don't mind them dead. That's why I give problems, so. Listen.
Women in a company talk by the media and talk about your gay family. Your dirty, nasty, batty man family. And if you want to mix your granny, you know, because I not forget goodness, you know. Dirty blood clot, we call the play. Right.
People, you hear me say? He now got this, my grandmother kind of figure goodness. So scream that out. So if you don't like me, I tell Squash, Bobby 6, all of them used to sleep in my grandmother couch. I cuff them. And that's why I don't like my grandmother kind of, but yo, alright. My grandmother used to have a man. Where my auntie them, father. You know, say man left my grandmother because they squashed them in the yard. The man left them because the man not like them. The man no want them run. The man left my grandmother just because I don't squash them. The man no want them run them. So the man left my grandmother because I squashed them. Because the man say, what kind of destruction them I pack up in the yard? The man no want them in the yard with them. Because the man know say anywhere they go destruction follow them. So the man left my grandmother because of them. Told my grandmother do good for them. Bro, then if you go you, that's why I'm not like that side of family. Then come from our Melbourne of a South Spring, that's why I'm not like them. I want dirty side of family. From then take up squash in a yard, me thought it's like a mad method. Squash them think, squash brother when them TK one of dead first. Them man used to spit pan their hand and wipe it on their foot. If you get off the dry white skin, the white blood clot, wipe them off on foot. Because they can't buy lotion. And the boy not like beer, within thinking mouth. Not every toothpaste they can buy. And my grandma used to work at arcade. Blood clot, buy them toothpaste. Squash on a body, bro, man, in dirty mother. Squash a think, my blood clot. Right now, before I used to play a squash song them before.